upper and lowercase functions. To do the lowercase function in Python, we first go to brackets and make any variables. For example, my name, and assign it by a string such as Jeff, and make sure the first letter is a capital letter. Then print my name dot lower and put 2 brackets. After that, save the file and try a terminal and see what it's gonna print for us. As you can see here in the screen, Jeff became small letter because we used lower function. Okay, so right now go ahead and try upper by the same way that we use for lower. Then save the file and try on terminal again. As you can see here, Jeff became capital letters when we use the upper function. Newlines in strings. Newlines in strings. We can use newline in strings whenever we need to use it. Let's see how. We first go to brackets and try this as example. Type print with the string signs and kinds of fruit: apple, banana, pear, peach. So if we try this on terminal right now, it will print only one line. As you see here, it's printed all the fruit together in one single line. But we need to make each kind of fruit in a new line. So to make each fruit in a new line, we have to do this. We should type backslash with the letter N, exactly like what you see in the screen here. We actually can put it whenever we wanted the new line to be. Then save the file and try it on terminal. Very nice. As you can see here, each kind of fruit became in a new line. Cool? Thanks for watching. Combining strings. Combining strings. To combine strings, for example, you might want to store first and last name in separate variables, and then you want to combine them if you want to display full name. Let's see how. First, go to brackets. Create variable names. First name with a string John, and last name assigned by Jeffrey, for example. Then we create another variable called full name assigned by first name plus last name variables. So right now, print the full name. Save your file and try it on terminal right now. As we can see here, we have a space problem. We just have to put a space after John or before Jeffrey. All of them would work. And try again in terminal. As you can see in the screen, it works well right now. Also, there is a common way to put a space, which is after the plus, put a string signs, space, and another plus. Save the file and see the terminal again. This way is also working well. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. String function. String function. String function is a built-in function that can be useful if you have a string sentence and you have an integer number and you want to print them all together as a string to be in one sentence. Let's see how. Alright, so now go to brackets and create any variable such as my name and assign it with a string sentence. For example, hello, my name is Jeff and my age is. Then create an integer variable, for example, age, and assign it by an integer. As we mentioned before, integer means whole numbers. Create a variable called total and assign it by the variables my name plus age. Then print total. Save the file and try on terminal and see what it shows. As you can see here in the terminal, it shows an error that asks to make the variable age to be on a string and printed well. Okay, so let's fix that. So, as you can see here, 32 is an integer. To print that as a string, we should put str before age and put the age variable between the brackets or inside the brackets. After that, save the file and try on terminal now. Very nice. It works well right now and it displays the 32 integer as a string. So str function is very helpful to convert integers to strings. Thanks for watching. Title function. Title function. The title method is nicely capitalized the first characters of the words. Let's see how. First, go to brackets and create a variable called name and assign it with any name. Jeff as example. Make sure the string names are small characters. Then create another variable called last name and assign it by string Jackson. After that, print the variables my name plus last name. So right now, put the title method with its parentheses after my name and last name. Then save the file and try on terminal. Alright, as you can see here, we got a space problem. We just have to put a space after Jeff or before Jackson. Pretty cool, it works right now. As we can see here, the first letter of Jeff, which is J, became capital. And the same thing with Jackson. J became capital. Anyways, thanks for watching.